Hello everybody, I'm here as promised to show you how to change the cabin air filter in a 2019 Ascent. Mine is a premium model, but the other trim levels and even the 2020 will be the same. So it's incredibly easy to do. First, just open your glove box. Then you'll see this piece on the side. All you have to do is pinch right here a little bit and slide it off. Once that's done, grab both sides of the glove box, here and here, with two hands, and just pinch it a little bit and it will come right down. So I'm gonna have to put my phone down a little to do that. So here you go. Alright, I've unlatched it by pinching it. And all you do is lower it. Then you'll see at the very back, it just slides out from its hinges. Here's your cabin air filter housing. It comes out just as easy, even easier than the glove box. Pinch that guy, pinch that guy. Cover comes right off. Air filter comes right out. As you can see, it's dirty. When you install the new filter, make sure you note the arrow pointing up. Put the filter into the housing the same way the old one came out of the housing. Arrow pointing up, push it all the way back in. Then you can move on to reinstalling the cover. Slide the top of it up and just push it into place, just like that. Line up these hinges in the back. Both of them. And push the glove box up into place. Be sure to attach this holding device on the side. Push it right into place, and you are done. Simple as that. I hope this video was helpful for you, and happy maintenance.